Hello, this is Brandon Johnson for AEP 855, Module 7, the Human Resource Frame. Uh, just some brief takeaways from the video, the Human Resource Frame Leadership according to Bowman and Deal. Approximately 78% of a district's budget is spent on salaries and benefits. Human Resources recognizes its employees as a family within this framework, and that is the key factor in the human resource frame, trying to establish that family type work atmosphere. Many different types of people play a role within the school organization, and I will go over those here in just a few slides. The needs among these people vary. Their skill sets and how they contribute to the overall framework of the school and day-to-day operation are different. The relationships must be made to build that family dynamic within this leadership structure. And the focus of the human resource frame is to improve skills, have positive attitudes, establish teamwork and communication among all people that play a role within the school. The goal is to align human needs with the organizational needs. The strategic planning, this allows participants to take part in planning within the organization. Decisions that go on within this framework involve everybody. Open lines of communication are important, and communication needs to happen often, and it needs to be effective among all members of the organization. The leader who is in charge of the organization needs to work to help others find success to benefit the organization, putting employees and people within roles within the organization where they're going to best help the organization grow. A good fit between an individual and organization will benefit all, while a bad fit will harm one or both. Here's a look at my framework of the human resource leadership style according to me. First and foremost, I put the principal up at the top. For me, I feel like having the principal up at the top is just based on the fact that they're going to be in charge of day-to-day operations of the school and things that go on within the organization. So that's why I feel like they were at the top for me. Then I placed the students second. All decisions made for the school and about the school are made for the students, doing what is best for the kids, even hiring decisions. And that's why I put students above teachers. A good teacher can make or break a classroom, I believe, and the learning within that goes on within that classroom. Chaos can be taking place outside a classroom, and an excellent classroom teacher can still have engagement and learning taking place within their classroom. And that is the goal of the classroom teacher. I put paraprofessionals fourth. They have direct contact with the students on day-to-day basis, and that's why I believe they're a step below the teachers. They're the teachers' right-hand man when it comes to things that go on within the classroom and making sure that student learning is happening. I put the office staff fifth. These people keep teachers, students, parents, the community, the alumni aware of what is going on in the school, and they keep the school organized and make it to where it is able to run properly. Next, I put the custodians, the cooks, and the maintenance personnel. These are essential part of the day-to-day operations within the school. They make sure that the school stays clean. They make sure that students have food to eat. They make sure that things within the school are working and running properly. And so they are an essential part of the organization, even though they don't have direct contact with the students per se. Um, Next, I put the parents. The parents are essential to have on board, as they are an essential part of student success. It is important to make parents aware of their students' progress and keep them involved in functions that are happening within the school. And then lastly, I put the community and the alumni. I feel it's very important to include community in school events. Make sure that they know, community members know what's going on within the school organization. For example, musicals, plays, sports competitions, any type of activity that's going on within the school. Um, Also, the alumni, I feel, falls within this column as well. Getting these people involved within the organization will create a positive school culture and make the learning experience and just the overall atmosphere of the school better for everybody. Um, Again, this is Brandon Johnson, and this is my Module 7 Human Resource Framework assignment. Thank you guys all for listening. I enjoyed the class. I really learned a lot. Hope everybody has a great end to the summer. Thank you.